Hey guys, today we are in Trail, Ohio, standing in front of the Troyers factory, and we're got ready to head into their factory store to get some of the freshest trail bologna you would ever have, because right there's the factory, and right there's the store. Can't get any fresher than that. So you ready to go in and try one, Bobby?
I'm ready.
Let's rock and roll.
Let's rock and roll.
There is the country store. It's old. Let's go in and see what we have in here. I can smell it. Smells good. Oh, got some jellies and jams in here. Some popcorn. There we go. Back here is the bologna. It's an old store, huh, Molly?
Yes, it is.
Look at these old Santa Clauses. There's some butter. Amish country. Some beef sticks. That's not what we came in. What we came in here for is over in this section. Just some little stuff, but over here is what we came in here for. Right here. Let's look at this. Got some bacon right down here. It's a trail bologna. Look at that. Some cheddar cheese, hot pepper cheese, some regular. Boy, that looks good. There's the prices. Zoom in on them. Get your sandwiches. Buy by the pound. Looks good, huh, Bobby?
It does.
Smells good in here. Oh, we're just looking. Everything smells good in here. Looks nice. Oh, we can't sit at the booth. So we'll have to take this outside and eat it. So we're going to order a sandwich and take it outside. See how good it is. Okay, guys, we just came out from inside the factory store. Hard to believe that's the factory store for Trail Bologna. Little tiny place, wasn't it, Bobby?
It was very little.
But the main thing is what they have in there. Look at that. Let's look at this. Got a little hot pepper cheese on it.
That's really thick, isn't it?
Yeah. Look how thick that bologna is. Now this bologna, trail bologna, is really lean. Let's take a good bite of this. Here we go.
I like thinner bologna.
Wow. Look at that. Man, is that good. That's hot. The bun tastes good. And that's really warm. Bobby's going to try it.
Yeah, I'm going to try to find a thinner side because I don't really like real thick.
Now that was $5 with the drink. I think it was $2.95. I think that was $2.95. You can't beat that.
I like that.
You like it?
I like the cheese. It's really good.
Hot pepper cheese we put on that.
Oh yeah, there's a little bit of mustard on that. Really good flavor.
Get one more bite for you guys. Get that again. I mean, is that a piece of bologna or what?
It is.
There we go. That is so good.
Yeah, I'll say that.
Yep. Got some birch beer. Had to get some birch beer. Wash it down with. So, if you ever had a chance in getting this area and trail, get some trail bologna. This stuff's found all over Amish country in the stores. And it's just a little factory, little store, but pack a good sandwich, huh?
Mm-hmm. I thought we had got, that's a hot pepper cheese, right? It's a hot pepper cheese?
Mm-hmm.
It's really not that spicy. Do you think? It's not that hot.
No, but it's good.
It's good.
I can see the peppers on it.
But it's not as hot as I thought it would be.
But it tastes good.
Yeah.
It tastes really. Now, Trail Bologna was founded in 1912 by Michael Troyer. And over 100 years later, it's still going strong with the 4th generation of the family running this place. What's hard for me to believe is I've been seeing this stuff in stores everywhere, outlining areas up here in Amish country, and I expect it to be bigger. Cute little place. They do a great job. And that store, excellent store to go into and relive the past. Sit at the counter when it's not COVID and get you a nice hot trail bologna sandwich. Well guys, that trip out here to trail was definitely worth it, because that was probably one of the best bologna, if not the best bologna sandwich I ever had, because it was so fresh and so thick. What did you think? How thick it was, Bobby?
It was thick. I liked it. I like my bologna a little bit thinner, but it had a great taste to it.
It was great.
And it was fresh. Because it's made right here.
Couldn't get any fresher than this. So if you guys are in Amish country, take about, I don't know, it's about 15 minutes out of Berlin, Sugar Creek area. Drive out here and get you one for yourself.
So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe.
Yeah, so until we meet again,
J&B
have left the building.